Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the KMINA Pro Folding Carbon Fiber Crutches, a perfect blend of lightweight design and sturdy support for adults seeking extra balance and stability. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, these crutches weigh just 1.3 pounds yet can safely support up to 300 pounds, making them an ideal choice for those who need reliable assistance. With 10 adjustable height settings ranging from 29 to 38.9 inches, these crutches can be tailored to fit your specific needs, ensuring maximum comfort and usability. The innovative foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, folding down to just 21.6 inches, so you can conveniently tuck them away in a car, closet, or even a backpack. Featuring soft pads made of fiberglass reinforced plastic and a front reflector for added safety, these crutches are as functional as they are comfortable. Recommended for anyone in need of a lightweight yet strong support solution, the KMINA Pro crutches come in a set of 2, providing you with the ultimate in mobility and convenience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more innovative products designed to enhance your daily life. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.